now for the Member of Parliament Eldoret North. Give it up for William Samoei Ruto. All right. Hey.
Yes, I know.
You know? You know there is the swearing in of the president today.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
Wa amani katika jina la Yesu, nasimama mbele zako kama kuhani Bwana.
Dhabihu hizi tunazo kutolea, upende kuzitakasa kwa Roho wako ili zigeuke kuwa mwili na damu ya mwanao Bwana wetu Yesu Kristo.
Moriega ngaino mwega endesho de mwadhani agosho. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Hebu nione kwa mikono. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Asanteni sana.
Hii inaitwa brand new. It is supplied in Africa and in Kenya by Kipchoge only. Iko very expensive. In fact, the energy this one will give you, utashtuka sana. Unaweza tembea mpaka watu washangae kama namna gani.
Yes.
So welcome to Chaget Party, Your Excellency William. We don't know if you will accept to be our patron.
Mimi nitakuwa member.
Amenifit. Hii nguo ni noma, si noma. Kwanza ameniambia iko Ferrari hapa, niwache kusema. Sasa madam, sasa tupige bei. Hapana. 2,000 ni nyingi. Bei ya jioni. Ama huyu madam anataka kuninyoa bila maji. Wewe nimechanuka sana, usinione hivi. Ati umenikatia ngapi? 5 So ibaki kama yangu. Haya, chukua 20,000 basi tujipange naye. Aka huyu mrembo. Amenifikisha look huyu mrembo. Uko mbele sana.
Urogosho ewa magegania. Urogosho ewa mage. Wambarario ewa magegania. Wambarario ewa magegania. Habari mam? Nauza mahindi? Shilingi ngapi? Ni aje mademo wa gando? Simsalimie DP pia. Msalimie. Sio sasa. How you doing? Mangwana, vipi mzee? Unataka mahindi? Unataka mahindi, tukule mahindi. Unataka mahindi? Sawa sana mheshimiwa. Acha tukule mahindi. Asante sana. Boss, asante sana. Mahindi hiyo. Asante sana. Asante sana. Hii imeiva. Yoro.
The current Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya is a self-confident, focused, and a determined man from a very humble background. He refused to let poverty overtake him and made his own way to the top, becoming one of the most successful politician and businessman in Kenya. Once a chicken vendor and a teacher, then joining politics. His dedication and hard work made him positions in the government up to the deputy president's level. Hongera Daktari. A man who is always busy fulfilling the mandate of Jubilee Manifesto to Kenyans. A strong believer in the Almighty God. Once a choir master and an evangelist, always grateful to God for his achievements and supporting God's work in churches. An overcomer and survivor in many political obstacles, trials, and accusations. His early life and what he is today can be a great motivation to our young people that you can become what you want to be and make a change in the society. I am following your steps. I might fit in your shoes in 20 years to come. But today, I'm looking forward to your handshake that can lead me to that blessing. We are looking forward to having you as our president in 2022. Asante, Dr. William Samoei Ruto. May God bless you.
I'm 10 years old by the name Abilasha Mudhoni, and I'm so happy to be here worshiping with my deputy president. And my life has changed a lot since I met my deputy president. And I'm here to give thanks to God and him. Enjoy the poem. My deputy president, what a privilege and honor to stand before you once again, thanking you in front of all of these people for your act of kindness and generosity that changed my life. My school fees is well taken care of with no worries at all. I promise to make you proud. Kenyans, let's put our nations first by exercising our patriotic rights. As long as you're 18, but unfortunately for me, I am just 10 years old. Your vote, your right, your duty, come the actual day. Mujitokeleze kujitokelezea, ama aje wa Kristo. Cast your vote prayerfully, for all power, all authority comes from God. Let us not allow tribalism, bribery, and hatred to divide us and bring war, but the peace of God to prevail in every part of our country. And even after the election, Kenya will still be a safe place for all of us. We are one people, Kenyans. Choose peace, not war. Choose life, not death. The future of our country is on your hands. Make Kenya a better place for us and the future generations to find. Thank you. Tujivunie kwa wa Kenya.
Thank you. Can we appreciate that young lady? Thank you very much.
Jemima.
You. Guy, ready to my friend.
Asante sana.
Hebu ngoja kidogo. Hello. Wanansi. No, I can't talk. Asa de hado musemanyo. Dina deputy president. Ati uri kuyebidia. Kwenda. Asa tika kiria weruri kikirango dekia. Wenda kwetekia ebuta italia nake egukwira kaundu. Mwambie my friend.
My friend habari?
Kwenda wewe. Nifurahigwa.
Nimesalimiana na jamaa mwingine hapo. Amenishika mkono. Karibu ikuwe kama ile ya Mutua. Asa. Unajua
I'm really sorry. Naomba radhi hakika.